how to fix Roblox not sending 2FA code. So first, I'm just going to log in with my account right here. So now, as you can see, after I logged in, this two-step verification popped up. And if the 2FA is not sending and you can't see it on your email, what you can do is check your junk email, because sometimes it can be sent there, or if it's not in your junk email, it might be in the spam folder of your email. And if you still don't see it, and if you still don't receive, or if you still haven't received your code, what you can do is just simply click on the use another verification method and just simply click on backup code. And as you can see, enter a previously saved backup code. So when you made your account, it sent, or if you turned on your 2FA or two-step verification setting, it should have sent you a 9-digit code for your backup. So just simply input it right here so that you could open it. But for me, I'm just going to use Authenticator. So I have my 6-digit code right here. So now, as you can see, after I've input the code, I'm now logged in. But if it doesn't work for you, what you can do now is, so I'm just going to log out my account first. So once you're here, then you're back to the code. What you need to do is just simply click on the need help, or here at the bottom, need help and contact Roblox support. Just simply click on the link right here on the Roblox support option and wait for this to pop up. And just scroll down to the very bottom. So there are also ways on how to use the 2FA or the verification methods and stuff. But once you're done reading that, if you read it, just go down to the very bottom. So once you're here, just simply click on the need more help and contact support right here. Now wait for it to load. Once you're here, you simply need to input your email address and confirm it. So the username and first name is not required, it's just optional. And for the issue details, just for the first one, just simply click on the device you are using. So I'm using a PC, so just simply click on that. Then for the second one, just go to account hack or can't log in. And for the second one, go to two-step verification. And for the description of issue, you could input that you forgot your backup code and you can't receive any codes from your email, or you could say you forgot your backup code and you don't have access to your authenticator. And after you're done, you could just go click on continue and wait for Roblox to get back to you in maybe a few days or stuff. So that's how I basically fix the Roblox not sending 2FA code.